Friends, today we are going to start exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is solve the following equations. Part A is 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. First of all, we change the side of this 5 by 2. So we got in next step minus 5 by 2 on RHS. That means 2y equal to 32 by 2. We can divide both numbers by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are 32. So 2y equal to 16. Now we change the side of this 2. Y equal to 16 by 2. We will divide both the numbers by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So y equal to 8. Now in next part, 5t plus 28 equal to 10. When we change the side of 28, we got 10 minus 28. So 5t equal to minus 18. That means t equal to minus 18 by 5. In part C, a by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. First of all, we change the side of 3. So we got a by 5 equal to 2 minus 3. That means a equal to minus 1 multiply 5. So a equal to minus 5. In next part, q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. When we change the side of 7, we got q by 4 equal to 5 minus 7. That means q by 4 equal to minus 2. So q equal to minus 2 multiply by 4. Q equal to minus 8. This is the answer. In next part, 5 by 2x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 multiply 2 by 5. When we change the side of a fraction, we will reciprocate it. So x equal to 4. 5 by 2x equal to 25 by 4. It is given. So x equal to 25 by 4 multiply 2 by 5. So we will divide these two numbers by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. And these two numbers by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we got x equal to 5 by 2. In next part, 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13. So 7m equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. When we take LCM of these two fractions, we got 7m equal to 26 minus 19 by 2. So 7m equal to 7 by 2. Now we will change the side of 7. So m equal to 7 by 2 multiply 1 by 7. We will divide these two numbers by 7. So we got m equal to 1 by 2. In next part, we have 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. So 6z equal to minus 2 minus 10. That means 6z equal to minus 12. Now we change the side of this 6. Z equal to minus 12 upon 6. We will divide both numbers by 6. So z equal to minus 2. In next part, we have given 3l by 2 equal to 2 by 3. We will change the side of 3 by 2. So L equal to 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 3. We got L equal to 4 by 9. Next question, question number 2 is also solve the following equations. In part A, we have given 2 into x plus 4 equal to 12. बेटा जब किसी नंबर और ब्रैकेट के बीच में साइन नहीं होता, ये आपको पता है कि वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. इसलिए जब हम इस 2 की साइड चेंज करेंगे तो ये इधर आकर डिवाइड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. x plus 4 equal to 12 by 2. We will divide these two numbers by 2. So we got 6. So x equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. In next part, we have given 3 into n minus 5 equal to 21. Firstly, we will change the side of this 3. We got n minus 5 equal to 21 by 3. We will divide both the numbers by 3. We got 7. So n equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. In next part, we have given 3 into n minus 5 equal to minus 21. First of all, we will change the side of this 3. We got n minus 5 equal to minus 21 by 3. We will divide both the numbers by 3. We got minus 7. So n equal to minus 7 plus 5, that is n equal to minus 2. In next part, minus 4 into 2 plus x equal to 8. So first of all we will change the side of minus 4. So we got 2 plus x equal to 8 by minus 4. Now we will divide these two numbers by 4. We got minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 minus 2. So x equal to minus 4. Now in next question, question number 3, same heading, solve the following equations. We have given in part A 4 equal to 5 into p minus 2. इसे बेटा हम साइड चेंज करके भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे 5 इंटू पी माइनस 2 को LHS पर रख लें और 4 को RHS पर, और एज इट इज़ भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं एज यू विश. तो अब मैंने यहाँ साइड चेंज की है, कांस्टेंट नंबर RHS पर लिख दिया है. तो अब हम इसे वही पुराने जैसे हमने सेकंड क्वेश्चन और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में इक्वेशंस सॉल्व किए हैं वैसे ही इनको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली वी विल चेंज द साइड ऑफ दिस 5. We got p minus 2 equal to 4 by 5. Now we will change the side of this minus 2. So p equal to 4 by 5 plus 2. Now we will take LCM and solve the equations. P equal to 4 plus 10 by 5. So p equal to 14 by 5. In next part, 16 equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Firstly we will change the side. So we can write down it as 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 equal to 16. So first of all we will change the side of this 4. We will write down 3 into t plus 2 equal to 16 minus 4. We got on RHS 12. So now in this step we will change the side of this 3. So t plus 2 equal to 12 upon 3. Now we will divide these two numbers by 3. We got 4. So t equal to 4 minus 2. So t equal to 2. It is the value. Now in next part we have given 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. So now in this question there is no need to change the LHS and RHS. So firstly we will change the side of this 4. So 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4. That means 30 on RHS. So p minus 1 equal to 30 upon 5. We got 6. So p equal to 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the value of p. In next part, same manner we will solve the equation and we got the value of m2. In question 4, in part A we have given make any 3 possible equations which gives us x equal to 2. So in this way we can make 3 easy equations. And in part B we have given that make 3 possible equations which can give x equal to minus 2. So in this way, in this easiest way, we can make the equations. So that's all about exercise 4.3 students.